Today I bring you the diff cover from Britpart to assemble on the front diff of the Defender. It's a simple task, but it's going to protect our vehicle in the off-road and expeditions. So let's put this, let's test it, and let's review it. This Britpart front diff protection, the DA2250B, made of thick steel, solid welded, I think, construction, bolts straight onto the car. You can see here the welding. It's got this little hole for the water to come out. It's not going to take a lot of space on the diff, so your ground clearance is going to stay as good as it was. It's an easy to install item. Just take out the screws. Let's put it in the car. Let's test it. In order to install the diff cover, I had to remove, first of all, the bar so I can have access, because with the bar in place you are not able to fit it in. So with the bar removed, I will fit the diff cover like this. It's easy, easy, easy. You just put it in place, and now it's just a question of screwing it back in place. Let's do this. Well, job done. Installation was simple, 20 minutes maximum. I think the biggest trouble was taking out the bar and putting it back. I think the diff case now is more protected against the rocks. And let's see how it works. Let's do the test off-road and I'll give you some feedback. I think the diff is now more protected against rocks, anything that might hit it. We all know that the diff case is not one of the most robust things in the Defender, so good to have it protected. Well, let me know in the comments if you guys are running something like this. How is it going? What's your feedback? And I hope you enjoyed it. See you for our next movie.